Oh man, welcome back to my humble abode. Holy cow. What people are wondering, what's the next step? What's the next plan with the GC8 build, boys? Well, I'm looking at it here, and man, she's looking dusty. This paint is faded and X-rated. So yeah, we need to take care of that. We got to remedy the issue, and by that I mean we've got to paint it. Yes sir. I picked up some material from the local joint, Space Age. Thank you for helping me out getting all that sorted. Got some clear, some paint, some stuff, some whisker do's and whisker don'ts. We'll go over into more detail when we get there, but for now, just know that this car's gonna start looking good pretty soon, and I'm pretty excited for it. As you know, if you don't know, sorry, I'm just talking to people that there's like 30 people that watch, and then the rest, it's locked. Well, I was gonna pop the engine bay and show people where we're at, but it doesn't really matter because you're in for the long haul. You're in for the long haul. We got a motor back over here for the car. It's got to be serviced, but we're making headway with the project. I guess that's what I'm excited for, and I guess today's progress. I guess we'll see how far we get, but I'd like to pretty much get this thing prepped so I can start sanding it and getting a lot of these things and dents removed, and ultimately getting closer to painting this car because it's looking gross, and it doesn't deserve to look gross. It could be a lot better really easily. So we put the finesse into it, we'll get it done right. So make sure that right now, if you haven't already, hit that sub button, like for more, comment below if you have any questions or concerns. If you have any input, it's always fun and greatly appreciated. Yeah, let's get this show on the road.
I got niggas out here tryna die for me, but if I went to heaven, would you cry for me? Hey, other hand snake niggas tryna lie to me. I ain't fucking with you, pussy nigga, can't ride with me. I got niggas out here tryna die for me, but if I went to heaven, would you cry for me?
Well, I took a little break, did some things, went for a ride. Got a guest appearance here. Jake, the Slainster, has arrived. We got my sander. Look at how inconspicuous. He's gonna start sanding on the hood.
Other hand snake niggas tryna lie to me. I ain't really fucking with you, pussy can't ride with me. I don't need friends, all a nigga need is bank. Calling up the colonel, sending weapons in the tank. Smoking on the purple, it be sticky, it be dank. They be slipping, tryna hate, but I ain't fucking with the fakes, say. But I got that thing on me, I'ma let it bang. Now I'ma let the chopper fucking spray. Praying in my mama and my pop see the day that I rise off with my bros, they'll be getting paid like shit. I just need the bands in my face. I remember fucking up a nigga, almost caught a case, but I beat this fucking demon. I got Jesus with me, looking down upon me, making sure I'm living freely. Hey, yeah, I got niggas out here tryna die for me, but if I went to heaven, would you cry for me? Other hand snake niggas tryna lie to me. I ain't really fucking with you, pussy can't ride with me. I got niggas out here tryna die for me, but if I went to heaven, would you cry?
So Jake got that hood finished up, thank God. That's done. We're low on the paper that's actually cutting the clear, because the clear was really heavy on that. But I'm thinking that we'll be good with the lighter 180 on the stuff on the sides like this panel, because it's already clear's pretty much gone. So on all the matte panels I'll use the lighter 180 and I'll use the 120 on the thicker panels. But we took the door panel cart guards off, and we had, you know, the material, the glue that was left behind. So I'm hitting that with a eraser wheel, and it's getting most of it, but it's just stinks and it flings shit everywhere, and it kind of sucks. Next panel I'm gonna move to, I'm gonna work on the trunk right now. I've got good lighting from the sunlight, and I can see it, and it's kind of in the open air, so I don't have to breathe too much dust in, even though I'll be wearing a dust mask. But before we get to that, I want to remove the logo and the trunk lock and go from there. Somebody said I should shave this. I don't know that I want to. I like having the lock just in case this thing ever gets stuck, or I don't know, I just like having the lock so I can open it that way. But definitely getting rid of the 2.5 RS badge. Hopefully it won't destroy it, so maybe it makes it recoup some funds. You know, people like that kind of stuff. And or I'll keep it.
For me, other hand snake niggas tryna lie to me. I ain't really fucking with you, pussy can't ride with me. I wish I had my brothers tryna ride with me. All these fuckers gon' do is lie to me. New money on two dummy. I'm sitting on no pool, just you love me. On set, I don't care what you think. On God, I don't really wanna lay. Blue bills at the bank, I obtain that. Coming for the dub, coming eat max pain. No, I never had an urge for the stain. No, I never went hard in the pain. But I hustle with my brothers, so the blue come to me. Low key, what's the move? Yeah, the shorty gotta leave. Yeah, we coming for the bills at the bank. Top city, coming max pain. Yeah, we coming for the bills at the bank. No, I'm never living life like a lame man. I'ma keep new money, I'ma stick with it. No, I ain't never gon' quit it. All my brothers up and we feeling so lifted. Keep a small circle with the bros and the gifted.
Hey man, we finna crank this one. Y'all already know what the fuck going on, you know we finna crank this one. Oh shit. Already know what the fuck going on. Get your way. Get back, get your way. No. Man, cause I got like this. Throwing while I wish I don't know. I need 2 more bitches. I wanna go, don't miss out on what you out there for wish. Why you be in your head? Find beside that trip. That's all for you and them. Tryna get end up mad cause I got like this. Throwing while I wish I don't know. I need 2 more bitches. I wanna go, don't miss out on what you out there for wish. Why you be in your head? Find beside that trip. That's all for you and them. Tryna get end up missing. So done with you, I done think I done had it. I wanna care no more. I wanna care no more. And you led right back where you started. You just be lying and capping. You was the one that was saying we lacking. Tell me that you wanna be a forever. Telling me that you gon' be there for me. Tell me that you won't be there. If I said look in my eyes, I hope you don't lie to me. You told me that you gon' ride, I hope that you ride with me.
Oh, we're in a tight spot. It's a tight spot in here. I'm finding that more and more so as I pile stuff up and make a mess, and it's just a filthy zoo in here. So, what did we get done in this video, boys? Sanding, a lot of it. Not very fun to watch, but for some it might be fun to watch. I still have some sanding yet to do on some of these panels, but I don't want to go too crazy with them. I think they're good enough, but some will need bodywork, some will need primer. Like we found some dings and dents on this guy here and there. So now that I've got mainly the most of the sanding done, I just ran out of sandpaper. I got this roll of sandpaper from my dad years ago and I just never used it. Well, finally used it all. So she spooled out, so I gotta buy some sandpaper to finish this bad mother up. I got the door here, the rear bumper, the spats, the spoiler, the grill, hood scoop, little guys for the tail lights. Probably reshoot this just because excuse me, any little exterior part will need to get shot that's blue pretty much. But yeah, fair amount of sanding finished up. Content with it. So if you haven't already, please subscribe for more. Please subscribe for more. Repeat times 2. Insert the audio track. There you go. With that being said, thank you for watching as always. I appreciate the comments, the likes, the subs. Keeps me going, as I've said in past videos. But join me on this journey of cleaning this GM6 2.5 RS into a stag of a queen. Something like that. don't know, man. Just subscribe. Subscribe.
I